Right guys, just a very quick review of a product I've come across called Evolution. Now this is, as it says on the sales page, a step-by-step case study. It takes a brand new affiliate account from $0 to $313.46 in 72 hours. Now we've seen sales pages like this before, but what I really like about this product is you actually see him making this $313.46. Let me just go into it. Now this is a very specific Facebook method. Now it is paid traffic. It is a paid traffic method, but he walks you through everything very step by step. You see him, he's targeting the ads he's using, the ad copy. It comes in two stages. First you have to build your audience. It shows you how to do that with both free and paid methods. It goes over 6 free methods, but he highlights the one method that he's had the most success with. However, I would suggest you use the paid method. It's not expensive. We're not talking hundreds of dollars here. Use the paid method. It's quicker. You'll see results faster. Free methods are okay, but it's just time, and free methods always take up a lot of your time. So I'm a big fan of the paid method. And then once you've built up your audience, he shows you these actual sales ads that he uses, and he actually shows you this same ad that he uses to promote a ClickBank product to get this $313. So you see everything. It's really, really good training. Now, as a bonus, I'm going to give you some targeting for the dog niche. Now, this is very specific targeting. When you see the actual targeting, you'll realise that you can mimic this into other niches. This is targeting a very specific audience. Okay, so you'll get a better quality of clicks and you get more engagement with your ads. So I highly recommend this training. Now although it's video ads, you do not have to create any ads, any videos yourself. You don't need any software, anything like that. It's a case of he shows you where to get these videos, highly converting videos. Well, he's proved that in his results, and you just basically download and then upload them back to YouTube. Very quick and easy to do. Here's a couple of video ads I've got running at the moment. This is 16 shares, 30 odd comments. There's another video ad. This has had 180 odd comments, 135 shares, lots of engagement, lots of likes, etc. So video ads are very powerful. Follow the trend. Do not miss any of these steps out. Even if you think you know them, just go through each step, copy his campaigns, or if you want to branch out into different niches, just be sure you do not miss anything out, okay, to get these results. His CTRs on his ads were ridiculous. He was getting on his sales ad, he was getting 15% CTR, which is huge, okay, for Facebook ads. So highly recommend this training, and for less than $8, I think it's undervalued. It should be selling this at $17 personally, I think. So $8, absolute bargain. Now there is upsells. Unfortunately, I haven't had access to them, so I can't comment if they're anything like the front end product. They'll be really good, because this product is really, really good. I'm really impressed with it, and I don't get impressed often. So yeah, highly recommend it.